Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Bernice's Reviews. I'm Joshua. We're gonna be going over the WORKPRO Ratchet strap tie downs. It's for moving, mostly for moving, hauling, strapping things down. I think the max capacity is 1,650 pounds. That's the max. What else? Yeah, it's reliable. I'm gonna show you how to set the strap in the ratchet. First, you got to make sure, try to make sure it's aligned in the middle so you can feed it easier through. Go through the middle like that. Give yourself some slack, and then you start ratcheting it. You ratchet. Now it's a part of the ratchet system, the full ratchet system. Of course, it's best to hook it to your endpoints around your material. Make sure everything's locked in. Make sure everything is loaded, and make sure everybody's safe. Make sure your material's strapped in. And like I said, the capacity is 1,650 pounds. This particular system. It comes with 4 straps. WORKPRO. Reliable. Thank you.
Pause. Let me turn it on.